How to speed up slow motion videos on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's video, I'll be showing you how to speed up slow motion videos on iPhone. This is really helpful, especially if you didn't really mean to take the video on slow motion mode. And to get started, let's open Photos and go to our slow-mo album. I only have one item on this album, so let's make use of this 10-second slow-mo video I have here. And when I play it, you would notice that at 1.5 seconds, the video will slow down. The process to speed up this slow-mo video is very simple. All you have to do is tap on the edit icon at the right top corner of the page and wait till you see these edit options below.
You should see this bar with vertical lines just above the main edit options. You would notice that on both ends of this bar, the vertical lines are closer to each other compared to the vertical lines in the middle. The vertical lines in the middle, which are a little farther apart, is actually the slowed down section of the video. And if you want to speed this up, all you have to do is drag one end all throughout the slowed down section of the video until you see that all vertical lines are now closer to each other. Click Done at the bottom right corner of the page and you may now enjoy your video in normal speed. So were you able to speed up your slow motion video just like I did? If you were successful, please let us know in the comments, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.